Facebook makes their Facebook Home official along with the HTC First. A curved iPhone 5S gets leaked in photos, and the Nokia Catwalk gets rumored for May 15th. I'm Jaime Rivera. After a crazy day of Facebook everywhere, and this is Pocket Now Daily. Let's start today off with some mobile browser wars, as apparently Google is leaving WebKit for their own program called Blink because apparently WebKit wasn't moving fast enough for them. But hey, it doesn't end there. Then we have Samsung and Mozilla teaming up to build their own browser engine because WebKit and Blink are not enough for them as well. And this just reminds me of the old HD DVD versus the Blu-ray wars. Which standard's going to be the best? Time will tell. And for those of you complaining about Samsung not having a storefront in the United States, well, think again, they've just teamed up with Best Buy to bring you 1,400 stores with a Samsung in-store there for you to check out Samsung products all you want. And it's not focused specifically on phones. You can also see TVs, tablets, whatever you want. It's going to start off with 900 Best Buy stores for now, so visit Best Buy. It'll most probably be a lot like the Apple Store inside Best Buy. Now let's talk about Nokia. There are some vague rumors of the Nokia Catwalk being released in London on May 15th. And for those of you that don't know, the Catwalk is the code name for their first metallic Lumia smartphone that a lot of people have been waiting for, and apparently it'll bring the next generation Lumia PureView camera. So stay tuned for the rumors. Obviously, this is very vague. It could probably not happen, but hopefully it does. Then let's move over to Apple, as we've got some leaked images of the future iPhone 5S, or at least a prototype. And what makes this device special is that it looks a lot like the iPhone 5, but this time it has a curved back for your hand, which is obviously ergonomic, but it also has a curved front glass. And there are some other rumors in the past of a curved glass prototype patent for Apple, so it could just be something that is happening in the future. But again, Apple tests products a lot, and this could probably just be something they're trying out and will never happen, so stay tuned. And finally, for the interesting news of the day, Facebook has been all over the news today because they finally released their Facebook Home, which is an Android launcher that focuses on people and not apps, as Mark Zuckerberg would say. And this launcher works on certain devices, flagship mostly HTC One, One X, and the One X Plus. And then we've also got Samsung Galaxy S3, Galaxy S4, and the Galaxy Note 2. But it does not end there. They're also launching their HTC First, which is the first Facebook phone out there that will launch with Facebook Home as the stock default launcher, which is kind of interesting. Everything will be available on April 12th. This HTC First will be available on AT&T for $99, and it is a mid-tiered phone. But that leads me to the question of the day. Would you consider installing Facebook Home on your phone and leaving it as a default? I mean, in my particular case, well, I'm not really that big into Facebook, and I just can't consider the fact that I'd be bugged by Farmville all the time. But still, I mean, leave us a comment down below. Would you consider it to be good for you to have a new launcher out there? Of course, as always, for an earlier scoop of everything that's happening in the smartphone and tablet world, make sure you follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I am Jaime Rivera. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.